Hello everyone, and welcome to Cibertips. In today's video, we are going to uncover a threat that hides behind your computer screen. Something that could silently drain your bank account while you believe your money is safe. We're talking about how hackers steal money from online banking, and more importantly, how you can protect yourself before it's too late. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Cibertips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our weekly videos. Each one is designed to reveal the hidden tricks hackers use and the steps you can take to protect your digital life. Your awareness is your most powerful defense, and with just one click you will be better equipped to face the threats of the online world. Now let's dive into the invisible world of online banking fraud. Imagine logging into your bank account. Everything seems normal. Your balance looks safe. But just a few hours later, you realize money has vanished. No alarms, no alerts, just empty numbers where your savings once were. This nightmare is not fiction. It's happening to thousands of people every day. Hackers are constantly innovating new techniques to exploit online banking. And unless you know how they operate, you could be their next target. Online banking was built to make life easier. With a few taps or clicks, you can transfer money, pay bills, or check your balance. But with this convenience comes exposure. Every digital interaction between you and your bank travels through networks, devices, and systems that can be intercepted, manipulated, or exploited by someone with malicious intent. Hackers know this, and they have built an arsenal of techniques to break into accounts, steal credentials, and move money without leaving obvious traces. One of the most common methods hackers use is phishing. They send emails or text messages disguised as your bank, warning you of suspicious activity or urging you to update your account information. The messages often look identical to real bank communications, complete with logos, official wording, and links that appear legitimate. When you click, you're taken to a fake website designed to steal your login credentials. Once you enter your details, the hacker instantly has access to your account. What's terrifying is that many people don't even realize they've been tricked until the money is gone. But phishing is just the surface. Hackers also rely on malware. These malicious programs can be installed on your computer or smartphone without you knowing. Sometimes through infected email attachments, sometimes through fake apps, or even by simply visiting a compromised website. Once the malware is on your device, it can log your keystrokes, capture your passwords, or even give hackers remote control of your system. This means that while you think you're logging into your bank safely, the hacker is watching every move you make. Another powerful weapon in the hacker's toolkit is man-in-the-middle attacks. Picture this. You connect to free Wi-Fi at a cafe, airport, or hotel. It seems harmless, but unknown to you, a hacker is intercepting all the data passing through that network. Every time you enter your banking credentials, the attacker can capture them. This type of attack doesn't require you to download anything or click on a suspicious link. All it takes is logging in from an insecure connection, and your banking session is hijacked. Then there are credential stuffing attacks. Hackers know that many people reuse the same password across multiple sites. When large databases of stolen usernames and passwords are leaked online, cybercriminals test them against banking websites. If you've ever used the same password for your email and your bank, you're especially vulnerable. Once hackers find a match, they can access your account instantly. No malware, no phishing, just pure exploitation of human habits. But the attack methods don't stop there. Social engineering is another tactic. Hackers may call pretending to be from your bank's support team. They'll sound convincing, use technical jargon, and even provide bits of personal information they've gathered from social media or previous leaks. Step by step, they manipulate you into giving away details like your account number, one-time verification codes, or even full access to your online banking. The scariest part is how easy it is for them to sound credible, especially in a moment of panic. Now, let's look at the aftermath. When hackers gain access to your account, what do they actually do? Some will drain the balance immediately, transferring funds to mule accounts, bank accounts controlled by intermediaries who help launder stolen money. Others may make smaller, less noticeable withdrawals over time, hoping you won't detect the theft until it's too late. In some cases, hackers will even change your account settings, such as your email address or phone number, preventing you from receiving alerts from the bank while they siphon off your money. Banks invest heavily in security, but here it's the truth. The weakest link is often not the bank's systems, but the customer. Hackers don't need to break into million-dollar security infrastructures when they can exploit human mistakes. That's why awareness is your greatest shield. So how do you protect yourself? First, never click on links in unsolicited emails or text messages, even if they appear to be from your bank. Instead, type your bank's URL directly into your browser or use the official banking app. Second, use strong, unique passwords for your bank accounts and never reuse them across different platforms. A password manager can help you create and remember them. Third, always enable two-factor authentication. Even if a hacker steals your password, without the second layer of security, they'll find it much harder to break in. When it comes to devices, keep your software and apps updated. Many updates include security patches that fix vulnerabilities hackers exploit. Avoid installing apps from untrusted sources, and regularly scan your devices with reliable security software. Be especially careful with public Wi-Fi. If you must access your bank from a public network, use a virtual private network, VPN, to encrypt your data and prevent interception. You should also monitor your accounts closely. Set up alerts for every transaction, so you'll know instantly if unauthorized activity occurs. Review your bank statements regularly and report any suspicious charges immediately. The faster you act, the greater your chances of recovering your money. Cybersecurity for online banking isn't just about technology, it's about mindset. Always question unexpected requests, whether they come by email, phone, or message. Hackers rely on urgency and fear to trick you into making hasty decisions. If something feels off, take a step back, verify directly with your bank through official channels, and never let pressure cloud your judgment. Let's not forget that online banking fraud is part of a global ecosystem. Stolen credentials often end up on dark web marketplaces, where cybercriminals trade millions of accounts like commodities. One stolen password might be sold for a few dollars, but the damage it can cause to your financial stability is priceless. Understanding this bigger picture helps you see why hackers keep innovating. It's a profitable business, and their victims are everyday people who thought they were safe. Now, imagine how many people could avoid this nightmare if they simply knew these tricks. That's why spreading awareness is critical. Share this knowledge with your family and friends. Teach them about phishing, malware, and safe banking habits. The more people are aware, the harder it becomes for hackers to succeed. At the end of the day, cybersecurity is not about fear, it's about empowerment. It is about taking control of your digital life and ensuring that the convenience of online banking doesn't come at the cost of your financial safety. By combining good habits, the right tools, and constant vigilance, you can outsmart the hackers who are waiting for you to make a mistake. So remember this: hackers don't always break in through the front door. Sometimes they wait for you to leave it unlocked. Don't give them that chance. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like it, subscribe to Cibertips, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next video. Every week we reveal the hidden side of the internet and give you the tools to stay safe. Protecting yourself starts with knowledge, and you've just taken an important step. Stay safe, stay alert, and see you in the next video.